Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of Rheem versus A.O. Smith water softener. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which water softener is better. So the main difference between Rheem and A.O. Smith water softener is the warranty period. A.O. Smith offers a 10-year warranty on the main control valve, the brine cabinet, and media tank. In addition, depending on the model of water softener that you choose, you get a 3 to 5 year warranty on the electronic and mechanical parts. On the other hand, Rheem softeners only come with a 3-year warranty, which can be upgraded to 5 years on mechanical parts and 10 years on media tanks, on the condition that you use Rheem cleaner. However, the warranty for electronic parts remains at 3 years. A.O. Smith has a more extended warranty period. Salt monitoring mechanism. Rheem softeners have a light signal on the front face of the devices that indicates when the salt falls below a given level. For A.O. Smith softeners, the light signal is not available, and you have to manually check the salt levels and top up when necessary. In this category, Rheem is more advanced. Price. The prices of Rheem water softeners range from $3.99 to $5.99, while those of A.O. Smith range from $4.39 to $8.49. If you're on a tight budget, Rheem is the more affordable option. Tank capacity. A.O. Smith softeners have a limited tank capacity, which leads to frequent regeneration processes, hence ideal for small households of 2 to 4 people. On the contrary, Rheem softeners have larger tanks than A.O. Smith and can comfortably cater to large households of more than 4 people, as well as small households. Rheem emerges as the winner for offering larger tanks. Comparison table. From the table, it's clear that Rheem has tanks that are large enough to cater to both small and large households, unlike those of A.O. Smith, which are limited to households of up to 4 people. Also, it clearly shows that A.O. Smith offers a better standard warranty. Similarities. Both water softeners are made of plastic, which is prone to damage if mishandled. Additionally, both brands use ion exchange water filtration technology to treat hard water. Verdict. So which is better? Overall, I recommend Rheem water softeners because they cater to a wide range of household sizes due to their large tank capacity compared to the A.O. Smith water softener. At the same time, Rheem embraces technology more and offers cheaper prices than A.O. Smith. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons that you would like to see next from us.